right, today I'm checking out Andrew Bird. I'm listening to a nervous tick motion of the head to the left, the orchestral version. Let's get into it.
Overprescribed and under the mister, we had survived to turn on the history channel and ask our esteemed panel, why are we alive? And here's how they replied. Yo, what happens when two substances collide? And by all accounts, you really should have died. Stretched out on a tarmac, 6 miles north of South Platte. You can't stand to look back. 16 tons of hazmat. It's what goes undelivered. Boom, 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 boom. It's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left. A nervous tick motion. Exercise your cells till you're bereft. It's a nervous tick motion of the what? The head to the left. Played out on a back.
What a professional whistler, man. Those whistles are sounding good. I could not whistle on command like that. I couldn't. Because every time like you're trying to whistle under a high pressure situation such as this, or just in front of another human being, I start smiling a little bit. My muscles start tensing up and I can't really whistle. Can't do it. So it's like the way his whistles are sounding too. And this is live whistling tunes like that. That's insane. That's insane. Such a professional. If he started to make one facial expression, you know, sometimes artists break character on stage. Like they'll get a little smile, they get back in character. If he started doing that in the middle of a whistle, he's cooked. He's done. It would destroy the sound completely. I feel like that's harder than a lot of other instruments. It is. You don't have a lot of room for error, at least facially. You don't. You got to be locked in.
Splayed out on a bath mat, 6 miles south of North Platte. He just wants his life back. It's in that paper knapsack. It's because under the and it's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left, a nervous tick motion of the over and by, down under the misted, barely alive, we cover our blisters in flannel, though the words we speak are battle. Now one of them's alive, now one of them's alive. What happens when two substances collide? And by all accounts, you really should have died.
Beautiful.
That was beautiful and also complex. Okay, that wasn't a regular song. The structure of it, the way it ebbed and flowed, almost kind of like you're watching like theater or a musical or something. Because the way he was moving and so he was doing the ticks, he's doing these dramatic motions. The music gets toned down, then it gets really fast. Like at the end, he says the nervous tick. Wait, no, did he say that? Whatever he said, he ends it with, oh, when two particles collide, it's like someone should or could have died, or something like that. I'm paraphrasing. And then the music gets all wimpy. You know what I mean? It had that musical quality to it, like not just a song, but something you can watch and follow along and feel along to. The whistling was impressive. Maybe it's because of my own personal whistling struggles. I can whistle, just not under pressure. But the sound of it sounds like a whistle sound that you could produce in a studio. Like it was sounding really good. Those are good whistles. I'm curious what this is about. It's kind of hard for me to piece it all together and whatnot, especially the two particles colliding and something should die and all this kind of stuff. And then what does that have to do with the nervous tick motion? I'm curious. I don't know if Genius will have the answers. If they will, I don't know. I'm gonna look though.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't